I follow several Asian cooks on IG, YT and TT. When I saw them all using this tool, I knew I needed to get it. Arrived in great shape, and since I ordered the red, the color just pops in my kitchen. Super easy to fill with oil and also super easy to use by squeezing the bulb. It holds a good amount of oil too. When done using, I just return the little brush to the built-in holder. For me, it was also easy to disassemble to wash before use, so it would be easy to keep clean as well. Really like it. Problem solved at home. We are taking care of ourselves even with olive oil, therefore we needed something that would reduce the output of oil to our pans, and suddenly we found this wonderful solution plus the comfort it offers us. I was getting tired of having to take the jug of Kirkland olive oil out of the kitchen pantry when I needed to use oil. And I am not one to like very many things on my counter, so this works well for me. It is very easy to use and I can leave it right next to my stove and it actually looks cute on my counter. The measurement on the reservoir is handy, but what I like even better is once I knew that the middle line was 1/2 an ounce, I easily know where the 1/4 ounce and 1 ounce are without having to read the lines. The brush end is very flexible, which is great. If it was stiff it wouldn't brush on the surface easy as this brush does. I also like this, it is made of glass and not cheap plastic. Click link in description for cheapest price on Amazon and more reviews. Please let me know the product you are looking for and I will check it for you for free. Make sure you check the description of this video for all kitchen items review. Please subscribe to my channel today. Thanks.